Experiencing difficulties connecting your Meta Quest 3 to SteamVR is a common issue that affects many VR enthusiasts. However, this problem can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting approaches. As of August 2025, there are 4 primary methods to connect your Meta Quest 3 to SteamVR. These include the MetaLink cable for direct USB-C connection, AirLink for wireless streaming over Wi-Fi, Virtual Desktop as a third-party wireless solution, and SteamLink as Valve's native wireless streaming option. The Meta Quest 3 to SteamVR connection involves multiple components that must work harmoniously. This includes the hardware layer with your Quest 3 headset and PC specifications, the driver layer with Meta PC software and SteamVR drivers, the network layer for router configuration and bandwidth, and the software layer with Steam Client and SteamVR runtime. Ensure your system meets the critical requirements for a successful connection. Your PC should have a minimum of GTX 1060 or RX 580 graphics card, though RTX 3070 or RX 6700 XT and above are recommended. For wired connections, use a USB 3.0 or higher port. For wireless connections, you need a Wi-Fi 6 router with 5 GHz band support. Minimum 100 Mbps bandwidth, but 200 Mbps or higher is recommended. Now that we understand the connection methods, system layers, and requirements, we can dive into specific troubleshooting steps for link cable issues, driver problems, and network connectivity challenges. When troubleshooting Meta Quest 3 connection issues with SteamVR, we'll start with link cable problems. The first step is testing your cable with different USB ports on your computer. USB 3.0 ports are typically blue in color, as shown in this chart. These ports provide the necessary bandwidth and power for stable Quest 3 connectivity. Always test multiple USB ports if you experience connection issues. Next, update your Meta PC app and reinstall the Oculus drivers through Device Manager. This resolves most driver-related connection problems. For wireless AirLink connections, proper network setup is crucial. Use a dedicated 5 GHz network for your Quest 3 and position your router within 15 feet of your play area for optimal performance. The Oculus Debug tool allows you to fine-tune your AirLink settings. Adjust the bitrate between 72 and 200 Mbps based on your network capacity, and set resolution scaling between 1.0x and 1.7x depending on your PC performance. Proper software configuration is essential. Enable unknown sources in the Meta PC app to allow SteamVR games to run and ensure SteamVR is configured for the Oculus runtime. If you encounter SteamVR runtime errors, this typically indicates a problem with the Oculus software installation. Reboot your system and verify that the Oculus software is properly installed and updated. For persistent issues, advanced techniques include optimizing Windows registry settings for USB power management and using network analyzers to optimize Wi-Fi channels for better performance. Regular maintenance is key to preventing connection issues. Update your drivers every 2 to 4 weeks and consider participating in beta channels for early access to bug fixes and improvements. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help ensure stable and reliable Meta Quest 3 connectivity with SteamVR. Remember that most connection issues can be resolved through proper cable testing, network optimization, and regular software updates.